Let's make this 3D pocket together. If you are interested in this pocket pattern, please follow us. One of the lining pieces should have the shape of the pocket drawn on its wrong side. Secure the lining fabric with the drawn shape to the outer fabric pocket piece. Once fixed, sew along the marked lines. Be mindful to sew accurately, ensuring the stitches reach all the edges and corners. Now, we need to cut open the pocket. Be careful not to cut beyond the stitching line, or the pocket will be damaged. Particularly at the corners, extra care is needed to avoid cutting the seam. Take out the other piece of lining fabric. Overlap the two lining pieces back to back and secure them together. Sew a 6 to 7 millimeter seam to secure the two lining pieces together. Pull the lining of the pocket out through the cut opening. For the corners that are difficult to turn, you can use a cone to gently push the fabric out. Use an iron to press and smooth the fabric. Secure the two small triangles at the top with the sewing machine by stitching back and forth. Take out the main fabric and lining for the three-dimensional pocket. Align the top edges and sew a line to secure them together. Then sew a top stitching of about 2 millimeters. After folding and aligning the bottom edge, iron it to smooth out the fabric. Sew a line until you reach 1.5 centimeters from the edge, then stop. Repeat this step for the remaining 3 corners. Cut the fabric like this. Open the seams. Here, I've sewn 2 lines of stitching, one at approximately 6 millimeters and the other at 15 millimeters. The 15 millimeter stitching line is for easy alignment of the edges later on. Now, trim the edges down to the position of the first stitching line. With this, the three-dimensional pocket is ready, awaiting the final assembly. Insert the three-dimensional pocket into the pocket opening. Align the stitching of the three-dimensional pocket with the edge of the opening, and then secure it in place with pins. Here, sew a seam along the edge that is about 1 centimeter in width. This seam will secure the three-dimensional pocket to the outer fabric. It also serves to finish the edge. After shaping the pocket, use back stitches inside the pocket to secure the edge folds. Make sure to secure the edge folds on both sides of the pocket. Our pocket is ready. It's a bit complex, but it allows for a lot of cool effects.